Hey guys, this is me, JT Fox. Welcome back to another video. And I got something done today. We whacked this hill, so that's all cleaned up. And I'm in the process of moving a rock pile that's right by where my trailer is. So but it's not all done. Biggest wanna why? It's because all the annoying gnats. They're so annoying. So yeah. So I'm gonna go back inside now. And so yeah guys, that's what I got done today. So hopefully by tomorrow, hey Zoe. Hopefully by tomorrow, hopefully I'll get a little bit more done tomorrow. I wanna use the weed whacker, and I wanna weed whack all the way around the shed there, and yeah. And then I also want to move the rest of the rock pile, but I think I'm gonna wait till the bugs settle, and then I'll go back out there. But alright guys, this could be the end of this video. I just wanted to let you guys know and show you guys what I did today on this wet Saturday. And so now I'm gonna jump in the shower now, and yeah, so I'll check back with you guys later. Peace out guys.